What's up, family? Welcome to DDINS Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu.
What's up, family? So for this Yuengling sauerkraut and beef tips recipe, all you're going to need is 4 jars or 2 bags of sauerkraut, 4 to 6 16-ounce bottle of Yuengling, or depending on the size of your crock pot, get what you need, 1 cup of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of sriracha, and today I'm using Black Angus thin sliced sirloin tip steak. This is a very easy and delicious dish to make, and without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do, you guys, is empty all 4 of our jars of sauerkraut into our crock pot here. That's 1, that's 2, 3, in our last jar. And at this moment, you guys, we're going to go ahead and add in our beef tips. Very simple. To believe it or not, we're almost done. Now we're going to add it in the star of our show, the Yuengling. Now you're not going to add in all of your bottles, just enough to get you started to mix this in. Look at that. Okay, and let's go ahead and stir this in nice and thoroughly, you guys. Yes. Okay. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to add in our last bottle of Yuengling. You only want to pour it in just over the beef tips and sauerkraut. 1 cup of brown sugar. And we're going to add 4 tablespoons of sriracha. If you do not have sriracha, you can substitute it for house sauce. However, the flavor will change. Just keep that in mind. Alright, and we're going to give this a nice mix, you guys. Okay, now this is going to cook for about 6 to 8 hours, alright? So we're going to go ahead and cover this up. We're going to check it back in the next couple hours, but until then, quick facts.
Where was sauerkraut originated? China. Sauerkraut originated nearly 2,000 years ago in ancient China. In summer, slaves building the Great Wall lived on cabbage and rice. In winter, the cabbage was preserved with rice wine, which soured the cabbage to keep the thousands of laborers healthy in the worst of conditions. What? When was Yuengling established? D.G. Yuengling & Son is the oldest operating brewing company in America, established in 1829. In 2018, by volume of sales, it was the largest craft brewery, 6th largest brewery overall, and the largest wholly American-owned brewery in the United States. Pretty cool.
That was pretty cool. Learn something new every day. Alright, so now we are in hour 2, and we're going to go ahead and just mix this up. We're going to flip it, you guys. And that's pretty much it to this recipe. It's very simple, and it's very delicious as well. Alright, and we're going to check it one last time. And this is about hour 6. It's almost done here. And we're going to let that cover it for another about half hour. And this is what we're looking for, you guys. Beautiful. Yuengling sauerkraut and beef tips. Alright, let's go ahead and bowl this up for you guys. Sorry for the mess. Keep that in mind. It is a little wet and messy. Alright, let's go ahead and take a bite here. Now that was delicious, you guys. Again, Yuengling sauerkraut and beef tips. Who'd have thought? It is very delicious. Well, look, I want to say thank you again, you guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 DDINS and to our next food adventure. Peace.